Jai Bhole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Trambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be the usual stuff that I used to do, where you have to ask a question in your mind and I'm going to answer it in a yes or a no. For today we have 4 choices of crystals. For the people who are new to my channel, a very warm welcome. How you select your reading is I'm going to be showing you a few crystals. You have to choose one of them and that particular reading is going to be for you. You have to ask a direct question in your mind where I'll be answering you an answer in a yes or a no, along with the suggestion card, the energy card, the divine message and a miracle message. And in the end I shall shuffle a happy message on camera. A happy message is something that we need to stay positive on, so these are the happy messages cards. I'll be shuffling them in the end of every reading. So for today we have our 4 choices. The first one is Tiger's Eye Pyramid. The second is Labradorite. The third is Sunstone. And the fourth is White Agate. Again, the choices are all right in front of you. I'll give you guys a moment to choose and then we shall shortly begin. If you guys need some more time to think and choose the crystal, I'd suggest you pause the video and then select. So let's begin with the first group of people who have chosen Tiger's Eye as the choice of crystal. Please put your question in your mind and let's see what your cards say for you. Okay. Your answer is a yes, but something has to end for something to begin. You cannot, I think you're probably stuck about a situation. You wanted some wish fulfillment happening and you were kind of frustrated as well. But as you see your cards, there's 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Swords. That means something will happen after something ends. So, but your answer is coming a yes. And your suggestion is try to be a little positive in your approach of things. If some things are ending, don't take it as a wrong time in your life. Sometimes God presents us with a lot of opportunities, which says like, you know, a blessing in disguise if something is not happening. So try to stay positive and welcome the new that is coming. This is your suggestion. Let's see what all your other cards are. Energy card, like I had just explained, your energy card has come of journey. This card says that life is a journey. We have to, you know, keep going no matter what happens. You have to keep, nothing ends for anybody and no one and nothing is worth losing your peace of mind. If you keep yourself happy, if you keep yourself happy with your family, there's nothing that can bring you down. So just think of this as a journey of life and keep moving forward. Your divine message is don't back down. Stand up for what you believe in. Bridget, Goddess Bridget. Now she says that the light has to come from within. Speak your truth. Don't worry about what people are thinking. If people are thinking you are stopping something else and beginning something new, you don't have to worry. You have to be your own guide. And this is also an indication that if in case you are having trouble making decisions, you can light a candle in a dark room or you can sit in your prayer room. If you have anything like a divine connection, you can go to the Gurudwara, sit there, think about it. You can go to the temple, sit there, think about it. And in case you are believing in Christianity or Islam, you can do the same thing. You can go to any protective divine place, sit and think, and you definitely will be answered because you're divinely protected. Your miracle message is, I make time to recharge my battery. The world needs my energetic light. Now, how you recharge your battery, I have just explained you. Try to take divine support. People who don't believe in divinity, there are a lot of people who don't believe in God. That's absolutely fine. This is your way of thinking. So you could just probably, like I explained, sit in a dark room, light a candle, put some incense and just meditate. You shall get your answers. Let's see what your happy message says for you. Prepare your mind to receive the best that life has to offer. The message is very, very beautiful. I hope this message is relating to all the people watching this. All the very best. I hope you liked the reading. Please do hit the like button if you liked it. Thank you. Let's come down to the second group of people who have chosen Labradorite pyramid as their choice of crystal. Please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no. Your answer is a yes. Justice will happen, but after having some sort of a breakdown, things were a little slow, but things will finally move. I think you've really worked hard on this. If people are asking for financial success, you're going to get that as well, but after some struggle. Your suggestion card is take care of your sleep, because you've been overthinking and probably you're losing your sleep, so don't lose your health about the whole thing. Answer is coming yes. Your energy message is door to value. I think you people are really worried about the financial situation right now. It could be just about anything finance regarding your home, your work front, your salary, your job, or something that you've been meaning to purchase and you're worried. Or maybe if in case parents are watching this video, you're worried about your children's education and their money and how to settle and everything. Or people who are wanting to go to abroad, they're wondering how can they spend the money and in the right direction and go ahead. Your divine message is Lakshmi Ma, bright future. Now it's so clear that you were worried about your finances, and your divine message has come of Ma Lakshmi. Now people who are Indians who are watching this, they know what Ma Lakshmi stands for. People who don't know about this form of Shakti, you can go Google it and see. Ma Lakshmi is the goddess of finances, and she blesses you with a lot of money and success. So here she's given you a direct message: stop worrying, everything is going to be okay. So you are divinely protected, things will happen on their own, you need not worry about your finances. It's a very direct answer. Your miracle message is, if I want to feel supported, I must support myself. Now you cannot keep thinking of an outside support. Your inside support is your family, yourself. So you have to stay positive and stay a little strong in the way of thinking. Let's see what your happy message is. Life delights in life. It's a very clear and a simple message. You're over worrying, over stressing, overthinking. You need to stop doing that, because you're manifesting more worries for yourself. Just take life easy. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do hit the like button. Thank you. Let's get down to the people who have chosen the third pyramid, that is the Sunstone. Please put a question in your mind. Let's see what your answer is. Your answer is a direct no. You're kind of disappointed. There was some ego. There is a lot of ego, basically. Your suggestion card is Lovers. This means either try to think of choices that you're making. I hope you're making the right choices in life, and I hope you're asking the right question. Try to concentrate on your family happiness more than anything else, is the suggestion. Let's see your energy message. Your energy message is, try to be a little strong in the way of thinking. Try to make your willpower stronger. Your divine message is Ma Kali, endings are beginnings. This is one of my favorite cards. The old must be released so that the new can enter. You remember I just told you your energy card is that maybe you're not prioritizing well in your life. Maybe you're not thinking the right direction. Unless something is going to end, there can't be a new beginning. You know, if your cup is full, you need to empty it a little for, new stuff to enter it. Same way, if something is ending, let it end so that the new can enter in your life. Your miracle message is, in the midst of a meltdown, I breathe through the discomfort and come out the other side. Try to embrace what is happening, try to accept the reality, and just try to find a closure to whatever you're going through. Unless you don't have a closure, the new stuff will not enter, or let a new life cannot begin. Basic meaning. Let's see your happy message. These are the days of miracle and wonder. You can keep your mind as in a positive way, like blessings in disguise. If some things are not working out, maybe your prayers are being heard and God is giving you a chance to start afresh. But for that to happen, you need to let go of your past and bury it. I hope it made sense to you, and I hope you liked it. Please do hit the like button if you liked the video. Thank you. The fourth group of people who have chosen white agate, this is the last choice. Let's see. Please put a question in your mind. Let's see what your answer is. Your answer is a very nice and a beautiful yes. Stay hopeful. You have taken the right decision. You had it all from the start. If people are asking for traveling and settling abroad, your answer is coming a yes. And those who were trying to make decisions about two things or were confused and were getting angry, your answer is that you are capable of doing both the things. If you have two choices, you can do anything you want, basically. Your answer is a yes. Your suggestion card is, things might take a little time in happening, so don't lose your faith. Your energy card is 4th chakra angel, Archangel Raphael. Talks about a 4th chakra, which is a heart chakra. Like I said, stay positive, stay in your zone, trust yourself, trust the divine. Everything is going to happen fine. Your divine message here is true love. The romantic stirrings in your heart have propelled the universe to deliver great love to you. This means you have ended up manifesting whatever you want. And if in case you are in a phase in your life where you are unable to find positivity, nobody is going to come and give that to you. You have to be your own guru, and you have to be your own guiding light. So if you want happiness, you need to start making things happy for yourself. And if you start being sad all the time, no matter what happens around you, you will not be able to be happy. So try to be happy and manifest it furthermore. Your miracle message is, obsessing over the outcome of a relationship gets in the way. Instead, I let go and allow. Simply means just trust the divine, trust your capabilities, trust the efforts that you're putting. Everything will be fine in the end. Your happy message is, and in the end, it is not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. Beautiful. I hope you guys liked this reading. If you did, please do hit the like button and follow and subscribe. It really does help. Thank you. Those who have not been following me on Instagram, please do follow me there, as I put daily updates there in the morning and at night. I put 2 videos daily. Pick a card readings, short readings. So till next video, I hope you guys stay well. Take care. Jai Bhole.